Hi, I want to present the application in this video. The main application has 4 pages. The first page, the home page, is where we see the main categories. The default selected category is men's. We can go and view the women's category by clicking on the nav bar. We can see that we see here the subcategories of the main categories. Subcategories of men are clothing, accessories. Subcategories of women's main category are clothing, jewelry, and accessories. This is the first page. The second page is for subcategories. Here we see the subcategories of the main categories. This is the second page of the application. If we go and click View Products, we are on the 3 page of the application. Here we see products in this subcategory. The products are presented with a small image, a short description, the price, and the button for more info. How we can see, this is the 3 page. We have here breadcrumbs, home, men's clothing, suites. If we click more info, we are going to see the product. Here is the 4 page of the application. On this page we have these navigation links, breadcrumb, something like that. We have a big picture with the product, the title, the description, the price, and this is the 4 page of the application. Now for the extra features that I have implemented, there are swap module. We can select here the currency and the price is changing. If this is the swap module, we have the product variation module. We can here view the variation of the product. Here we can select some variation, for example, and clicking check disponibility will see if the product is in stock. This product is in stock. This is the variation extra features implemented and the swap module. Okay, the next extra feature implemented is the search box. We can search here for product, example quote, and we see here all the products that have the name of the word code. If we text something else, for example suite, we see the products we have suite in the name. And from this search page we can go clicking more info to the product page and see the product. This is the search extra features. Okay, the next extra features is the sign up, login, logout system. If we want to register a new account, we click on the register button and completing the formula. The formula have validation, and if the data is wrong, will display errors. For example, if we don't enter nothing for the name and click register, we will have this error. You don't specify your name, and we click go back. If we specify the name and don't enter email, we have also an error and go back. And complete the email and password, and if the password is not correct, we also have error. Complete again the name, the email, the password, and click register, and then we have a new account. If we go back and try to register with this email, again we see an error because the email is already in use. We see this error. Okay, this is the register page. I had not implemented the email verification option, maybe for next time. On the login page, if we don't enter nothing, we have errors. If we enter the right email, we log in to the site, and now we are logged in. Here we can, if we have in the nav bar these two options to see the info of the user and to log out. On clicking on the email, we see the user profile, the name, the email, the register date, and the status of the registration. Here we can see email is not verified. Okay, this is the user profile. If we click logout, the system will log out, and we are now logged out. You can see when we are not logged in, the navbar displays the login and the register. When log in the system, we have the email and the logout buttons here. Okay, we go to login again. We are successfully logged in. And here, when we are logged in the system, we have these three buttons here. These are for recently viewed items, for shopping cart, and for wish list. How this works? Okay, for recently viewed items, if we click here, we see that we haven't seen any product. We search a product called, and now we are seeing this product. Let's see another product. Clicking here, and another, clicking here, and another product, clicking here, and now we're going to the recently viewed items, and we see in the order of the last viewed item, we see the products we recently viewed. Here we can go directly to the product if we click more info. And this is the list of the products we recently viewed. If we want to add a product to the wish list, we click on the product page, click the button wish list. I mentioned that if we are not logged in, these two buttons, we don't see these buttons. We only see the text that is saying us that if we want to buy this product, we must register or log in. To add this product to wish list, we click on wish list and have this message, success item added in wish list. And here we can go to the wish list or go back to the product. If we go into the wish list, we can see that we have this product here in the list. Let's add another product to the wish list. Then here more info, adding to wish list. And another product, if we want to add the same product to the wish list, we have the error that the product is already in the wish list. And go back to the product. Here in the wish list we go to see the list of products. These products are in our wish list. Now if we want to remove a product from the wish list, we only click on the link on the right of the product. Success item deleted, success from wish list, and go to wish list back and have this only. And this is the wish list. Okay, for shopping cart, let's go to the product. Here we have the button for shopping cart, and here we set the quantity. If we do not set nothing, the default value is 1. If we select 5, we have this product of 5 times and add it to shopping cart. And now if we go to shopping cart, we see this product, the description, the name, the image, the date, a link to remove from shopping cart, the quantity we ordered, the price calculated, and the total price. Let's add another product to the shopping list. This product, adding once, and we do not enter here nothing, and because we want only once. Add to shopping cart, and going to shopping cart, we have this product only once. Let's add another. These earrings 9 times. We want 9 time products, and go to shopping cart, and the total price is this. I didn't implement the show up module here. This because I haven't time to do this. I needed 1 day more to do this. Here we have the sum calculated in dollars in the shopping cart, only with dollars. Here we have the option to buy now. If we click empty shopping cart, we'll empty the shopping cart. If we click only remove one item, remove from list, we'll remove a specific item. Click here, and the item was deleted, and go back to shopping cart. We see that item is not here. If we click empty shopping cart, we suggest empty the shopping cart and go back to shopping cart. We see that we don't have any products here. These are the features that I implemented on the site. I have implemented from the feature add review only the formula for this because I don't have any time to do the work. I needed 1 day more to do this. Here we have the formula with the star rating system. We can see if we click 5 stars, 4 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars, and 1 stars, and the button add review. These are the features that I implemented on the site. If we click logout, we can see that we don't have the wish list, recently viewed items, and the shopping cart buttons here. And going back home, this is the application that I made for this internship. Okay, now let's see a little bit of code, what I do of the code. I also implemented on the products page and the Facebook like share button. Here we have this. You can like this product, and will appear on the Facebook. And we can share this product also to the Facebook. Okay, these are all the features that I have implemented. I want to go and to see the code a little bit here. This is the main folder of the application. Here I have the app, which is the main file of the application, and the mail server. I wanted to implement the email send option, and these folders for view, for routes, for node modules. These are the modules that I have installed here, the controllers module and the public folder. Let's see the app file. First we set these dependencies, then these settings, and for the routes, and the commands for creating the server. In the views I have the two folders. Folder for partial, where I have the footer and the header for the templates, and the pages, where I have the files for the pages from the web application. In the routes I have the main routes file. Here are the routes of the application. In the public ID, here are the images, the JavaScript file, and style sheets file. And in the controllers, here I have two controllers that I implemented: the shop controller and the user controller. These are the files that I have implemented. In the user controller, I have these methods for the user, for registration, for validate registration, for login, for validate handling login, for logout, for user profile, for recently viewed items, for wish list, to add item to wish list. And here are all the methods. I don't implemented the promise in the code because at the beginning I didn't believe that it's so important, but I realized that is important, the promises, and I have some difficulties because I didn't implement the promise. Some methods here are big because this callback function depend on each other. This is a thing that I must learn very quick. This promise isn't so hard. I have seen on the net. It's easy to do. The code is here. The function callbacks. These are the main things that I implemented. Here, the MongoDB query, and this is the code. In the templates, the view pages, I have here for pages for of the site. To see one page here, let's see shopping cart. We have first we included the header, and we write the page, and down we include the footer, and we write these templates in Aegis system of templates. We have variables from the database, variables, and here we only print that variables, that data we need. This is the code of the application. Thank you that you listened to me, and goodbye.